It's AI Makerspace's Transformation of the Week, and today I speak with Allan Tan, a serial techno-preneur and founder of Predictive Systems, Inc. Learn why he still loves to code and what he's working on at the LLM Edge. Hey Allan, congrats on winning the Transformation of the Week. Let's start by you giving us a little bit more about your background and what you're doing today.
Thank you, Chris. Excited to be here. Well, my background is in the software industry. I've been doing programming for more than 20 years now. We're doing a lot of software development, primarily on the enterprise and the mobile app development. And now I started my own startup. It's called Predictive Systems, where we're building AI-based solutions to different enterprises and companies in this part of the world.
Way to rep that brand, Allan. That's awesome. Tell me a little bit more about where you're at now and what got you into Gen AI in the first place.
I'm based here in Manila, Philippines, all the way to Asia. I've really been passionate about AI generally, but with the new technology of Gen AI, it will change a lot of the different industries and the way different industries work. So I want to be at the forefront applying all these new technologies across different industries.
Now, you graduated from our AI engineering bootcamp cohort number 2 about 10 months ago. Have you been able to put anything that you've learned into practice at work or on personal projects?
Well, yeah, definitely a lot. We were able to build our own AI-based legal case management system, which we are showcasing here in the country. So we're trying to close a couple of big accounts on that one. More importantly, I think the training gave me the confidence that I have the latest state-of-the-art knowledge to apply Gen AI. And at the same time, I've been doing a lot of talks and sharing a lot of this knowledge to the academe, to the industry about large language models. It's been quite a very fulfilling 10 months after the training.
So what's a big Gen AI challenge that you're currently working on?
Well, yeah, that's an interesting question because as you know, a lot of the Gen AI applications we're seeing now are all dependent on the cloud. But there's a new breed of technology coming in with SLM, right? Small language models where you'll be able to run your models on-prem, which are very attractive to industries that are highly regulated, where they have private and confidential information. Maybe they have top secret documents, and yet they will be able to leverage the advantage of Gen AI while everything is running private within their network or within their controlled environment. So that's the key differentiator that our company is building on.
So what words of wisdom do you have for people that are considering a move into Gen AI?
So one thing I have learned after taking the AI Makerspace and everything I've explored for the last 10 months is because my background is in programming, is that programming Gen AI is very different from traditional way of programming. When we write software programs before, everything is deterministic. You write to an SQL, you retrieve the data, you expect the same data. But with Gen AI, you send the prompt, you don't know what comes back. So it's a totally different shift in mindset. When you call Gen AI, it's more of this discipline of establishing metrics so that you'll be able to measure the performance of your system, exploring different ways to improve the measurement, right? So that you can reach 90%, 95% accuracy, which doesn't exist in traditional programming, because in traditional programming, it's always like 100% it works. When I retrieve a data, it will always return me the same data. But with Gen AI, it's totally different. So that shift of mindset I think is important. That's why, when you're building systems, you need to look for people who understands this and who can build the right data sets, the right model that would satisfy, the strict enterprise needs.
Allan, congrats again on winning the Transformation of the Week. Thank you so much for joining me today. How can people get a hold of you?
Well, they can connect to me in LinkedIn, or if they're interested, I have a YouTube channel where I try to laymanize LLMs and transformer. I am artificially intelligent. If they're looking for companies or software providers who do understand how to make use of Gen AI and put this really into production that actually works, they can check out my company, Predictive Systems. And our theme is your data, your AI, your way, because we install solutions that are on-premise. Remember, here, Predictive Systems. Thank you.
Great stuff, Allan. Thanks again.